Hi everyone guys, in a new video. Today I want to talk with you about crypto, especially about crypto trading. So what does it mean trading? I know that in my channel a lot of the traders, but I'll explain it to you in the short way. Trading, this is the action of buying, selling some financial instrument, whereas our main target is to make profit on the price difference. What does it mean? We're buying one instrument with the lower price, and then we're expecting that this price will go up, we will close and we'll make a profit in the end. What's the difference like trading and investments? Investment, when we are buying the ownership of the instrument, like okay, we can buy the shares of Apple, shares of Tesla, we can hold them for 1 year, for 2 years, we're expecting that the price will go up, then we are selling them. This is the classical type of investment, because a lot of the people, when they are made some portfolio of crypto instruments, they think okay, I bought it, I'll wait for 2-3 years and then I will close them, so I'm active trader. No. Trading, when we are not expecting to buy the ownership of the instruments, we don't want to be the owners of the Bitcoin, of Ethereum, or some other instruments, we want only to make a profit on the price difference. When we start trading, we have a variety of different markets, and the major markets where we can go, this is the three of them. This is the Forex, currencies, second like stocks, when we can trade a lot of different shares of the companies, indexes, and the third point, this is the crypto. Today I want to talk with you about crypto, why people choosing crypto, why people like crypto. You know, I was checking some charts, and if we are talking about currencies, per day currency changing approximately 0.01%, 0.02. If we'll check whole year, something changing for 4-5%. If we'll go to some most popular shares on or the indexes, you know, they can change per year like for 5-6%. If something daily in those two markets changing on 3%, it's like wow, it's becoming big trend. So when we're talking about crypto, 2-3% is nothing. This is like a normal volatility for this market. Like yesterday, Bitcoin went up on 17% and everyone in the normal way reacting for this type of movement. So why people choosing this crypto? Because of this movement. Because we know that in one day, like crypto coin A can cost like $10, in the end of the day it can go up for 100%. This market involving and selling this possibility to make a huge profits from all around the world, you know. Some of the guys, they are talking in the stock market, it's normal when you are making like 20% per year, it's like a good profit. In this market, they're asking how many X you made. So I invest $1,000, I'm expecting to make like 5X profit, you know, so in 5 times higher. Yes, it's possible. Yes, there are a lot of the risk, and in today's video I want to show you my own opinion about this crypto market, my own products that I'm using right now, and those products that I can share it with you even for free. So stay tuned till the end of this video. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let's start. So guys, this video will be in the few parts because I want to show you a lot of different instruments that I was working with, that I was creating them first of all for myself, and you can easily also use them for yourself. Some of the product I was creating in this trading terminal and software, it's calling MetaTrader. Why MetaTrader? Because to be honest, a lot of the crypto exchanges, they are terminal and software what they're providing through the like web terminals, they are still very weak and they are not comfortable for the trading. And as I know, even Binance and KuCoin, I think they already bought MT5 from the company MetaQuotes, and they want to implement these things in their terminals. It means that trading terminals MT4, MT5, it's like really powerful, and maybe soon we will be able to see them like in some crypto exchanges like the main instrument for the trading. So for right now, we will check some forex broker companies. You know, I want to tell you one thing, that forex brokers, long time ago, it's like a totally different in comparison to what we have right now. So if we'll go to the Forex broker company, this one Tiran Forex, by the way, all links of the registration and everything that I will tell you, I will leave in the description to this video. You see how many instruments we can check in those brokers. So this is the currency pairs. Then we can go to the stocks. You see how many stocks: Coca-Cola, Amazon, Google, HP, and they are giving you good leverage. So it's very easy to trade in one place everything. And then if we will go to the crypto, why I'm telling you about that broker company, because they have, you see, a lot of the crypto instruments that we can trade. Also, I have one more broker company, very interesting, but they have less cryptocurrencies, a little bit better conditions, but still Tiran Forex, in that case, they have a lot of the crypto instruments that you can easily use one terminal and trading everything there. So let me show you one crypto bot. Right now you can see in front of your eyes some deals. This bot, first of all, I was creating for the Forex market, but then when I start testing them even in the crypto market, I was impressed how it's working nice and in the proper way. Let's test right now. It's like Litecoin. Okay, let me go and open Bitcoin. Yes, I open Bitcoin. I will upload special setting for the Bitcoin. So this is more like a trending style of the bot. By the way, there are 3 types of the trading strategies. This is like a trend when you're following or trading towards the trend. This is the range when you're trying to find some small consolidation of the price and trade inside of this consolidation. And the counter trend when you are trading against the movements. If the price going up, you are trying to find the points for the selling. This is the most difficult strategy, and in this video I will show you one more, but this one it's more like a trend style of the strategy. We are trying to find the trend, like it was here, buy, you see, buy, so many buys, but in the end it's close in the plus. But let's check the results of this bot. Why I like bots, and I was telling you every time, because you can easily make the back test and you can see exactly how it's working. So I took in the beginning of 2022 to that day, and let's redo the quick back test, and I hope we can see everything. You see, so after 1 year we can see the exactly results of this trading bot. So this bot made 311 deals. I start here only from 0.01. This is the smallest trading volume in the Forex, and you can easily start trading with this bot from $500. If you invest $500, after 1 year, your total net profit minus all commission will be $2,316 with the maximum drawdown of $451. Maximum drawdown, it's your maximum risk that you can put in your strategy. In the same time, let me go to check Ethereum, because I prepared like 3 sets. This is the special settings that I'm getting them from the backtest and optimization. Let's run this quick backtest, and we can see that results is even better. So after 1 year, total net profit $2,276, maximum drawdown was only $169, so recovery factor is big one. There is one method how you can compare if your strategy is strong or not, especially it's working very nice with the crypto. This is the strategy buy and hold, and you can compare your results with the current situation on the market. You can see exact, okay, if the price like was going down all year and I made the profit, of course it's better than strategy buy and hold. If you want to know more about this like trading strategy, you can easily message me. I will leave my contact details also in the description to this video. Next bot that I want to show you today, I create in very unique and special application calling TS Lab. Why it's so special? Because it allows you to create trading bots without knowledge of programming, and I have some plans in my channel to create totally new playlist when I will share with you tutorials, maybe even will make a live streams, you know, and I will explain it to you step by step how you can create bot, and you can spend only like 30 minutes, 1 hour, and you can get your own bot that can trade direct on the Binance. This is the most important point, because here in the left corner you can see Binance futures. So right now I'm connecting direct to the Binance, and I can make my own script, click trade, and it will go to the Binance exchange and will trade there without me, you know, and it will be even faster than you will trade in the web trader on the Binance platform. So let me show you something. I will go to show you my script that I create here. It's like counter trend style of the trading, you know. So this trading, of course, it depends. Let me go the lot. This style of the trading, it's like more risky, because you see I'm trading against movement. So price is going up, I'm trying to sell with the short profit, like happened here. I'm trying to find some abnormal situation with the volume. When you see I'm calculating volume by special formula, this script, it looks something like that. You can see and tell me like, wow, it's so difficult, but believe me, when I will start working with you, we can easily do the same and a lot of the interesting things, something like that. You see, and slowly, step by step, you see even sometimes there are the stop losses, but we are not trading without stop losses. You know my rule, like it's super important to use stop loss in every deal. And you see there are a lot of like plus, this one, 2 buys plus. Maybe I'll make for you one more video. I'll explain you exactly strategy, how it's working. If you're interested, please mention something in the comments. But for right now, I want to show you especially results, how it's working with the counter trend. Of course, counter trend style of the strategies, they are the most risky, but in the end it depends on your final results. If we'll go there, you can see the final profit from the beginning of 2022. Like it's only minimum. If I'm opening position with the $100, I made $82, so it's approximately 80%. If we'll go to the profit, you see it's like not maybe the best one equity that you have ever seen, but as we are not using any martingale, and still it's working in plus, because we can go there and to buy and hold. You see, if you will buy and hold, you will be in minus of like approximately, if you will open a position only for $100, you will be in minus of $476. With that bot that I'm showing you right now, if you will trade only with $100, you will be in plus 82%. So why not? Also, what I'm doing, I'm trading in the same time with a lot of the different instruments. And what is the benefit of this application? The biggest benefit, from my own opinion, that first, you can connect direct to the Binance. Second, you can make your script, you can make the test, you can make optimization, and it's working very smoothly. So you are not facing any problems, you know, and you can see the recovery factor, all those instruments that I'm using. This trading strategy, it depends on the situation on the market. You know, when it's big trending market, you will be in minus. So I'll tell you like that. Last months I was trading almost in zero, in small plus. Previous months I made in minus. Like 2 months before, it was plus 12%, you know. But if you have portfolios, if you are using different bots, different instruments, trading in the same time, different strategies, smart diversification, you will be in plus. So no need, guys, to expect or to search for one strategy that will be the best in the world. From my own opinion, the best way how you can generate consistent profit, this is diversification. When you have few different strategies, few different sources, how you can get profit, different instruments that you are trading. Maybe in some case it's different markets, you know. Even with the counter trend strategies, there are some ways how you can work. You see, let me show you these two options: sell in plus, buy in plus. Then I open buy position, I close them in minus, and I'm stop trading. And as you can see, market was going down a lot, from 23,000 to approximately 21,500, and I was not trading. This is also the way how you can work with the strategies. But in the same time, maybe this strategy that I was showing you from the MT4, MT5, it was trading those type of the movement, and it's close in plus. So this is the point. You should use diversification if you want to make a profit in these type of scenarios. Maybe someone of you don't know, but right now I'm in Dubai, and every day I meet a lot of the people that interest in the crypto. They're asking me, Alex, tell me what to do, what it will going on with the Bitcoin, it will grow, it will fall down. First of all, no one knows about that, what will be with the Bitcoin. Who's trying to predict for you something, or he's telling you that I know that 100%, you should run from that guy, you know, because he don't know nothing, and with his recommendation probably, and like I can give you 90% that you will lose all your capital. We are working with mathematical expectation. We are analyzing past and trying to put these results in the real trading to generate a profit. So if you bought already some crypto, you are holding that, continue to hold. No need to sell it right now, continue to hold, but make it like a long-term investment. If you want to trade by yourself, especially crypto, you need to spend a lot of your time for the education. If you don't want to do that, trade with the bots, invest with the robots, because for my own opinion, robots, it's really the best instrument for the traders, because we can understand exactly our expectation. With the manual trading, we never know what is even our maximum risk or our expected profit. Robots can increase our knowledge, build for us some business plan that we can follow step by step. And even if we made like 10% in a month, we can understand, okay, it's like the same that we expect. If we made 2, we can ask ourselves, okay, something wrong, we should check. If you want to be profitable in that area, you should work with the algo trading. So guys, if you're interested about those 2 products that I show you today, I will leave my contact details in the description to this video. Message me and we'll find for you interesting solutions, profitable solutions. See you guys in our next videos.